Hey everyone, I wanted to come on and show you. I got some Happy Mail today from Missy. She's one of my subscribers. That woman, I'm telling you, she is always, I never know when I'm going to be getting some kind of Happy Mail. She is such a sweetheart. And if you saw the felted bees that the little lady that I can't remember, but it's a woman she knows, she's elderly, and she felts, and those bees are absolutely adorable. Thank you again, Missy. Anyway, she sent me a box of all kinds of goodies that I like to do my sweet treats. So she sent me some of these for cake pops, so I'll be using those. Where she finds all these cute little bags is beyond me, but look at this little gift bag. And it's very retro, so I'm going to hang that up in my craft room. And it says, "Girlfriends Matter." But wait till you see what was in it. Was this little owl. But it's an acorn owl. Oh my gosh. And she knows I love owls. Look at this. How cute is it? And then the little card that came with it says, "A little wise owl. A little wise owl came my way wearing an acorn hat. And this," he did say, always count your blessings. Always be kind, too. Always know you have a friend. Always know you're special, too." Isn't that adorable? Look at that. Oh my gosh, that is so precious. And then she had another card on the package. "When I said my foot is slipping, your love, O Lord, supported me. When anxiety was great within me, your consolation brought joy to my soul. The knowledge that we are never alone calms the troubled seas, our lives and speaks peace to our soul." So I'll keep that as well. She got me this owl, and guys, you know how much I love Mackenzie Child, right? Look at this owl. And I am not changing one thing on this owl. It's going to be exactly like this because another friend of mine gifted me black and orange, the black and orange just like this, some material. So I'm going to make some pumpkins out of it. But isn't that adorable? Then this little truck, look at the black truck with the pumpkins. Now I may embellish this somewhat, but oh my gosh, how perfect for decorating for Halloween. And then I have been wanting a small tiered tray. And look at this. I'm thinking she went to the 99-cent store, pretty sure. I use it for right now is in my bathroom because I'm going to be redoing my bathroom decor, and I'm going to bring you along with me when I do. And this is going to fit perfectly. And then she sent me a little card like she always does, and I keep them all. And I put them up in my craft room. Missy, thank you so much, sweetie. You are such a blessing. You're such a sweet person. I want to thank you so much. But I just wanted to share this with everyone. I was so thrilled to get this. I wanted to share one other piece of Happy Mail, and it was a surprise just like Missy's, from Dawn at the Pink Tree. And as all of you know, she is my mentor in all of the faux foods that I've made, and I will put her channel down in the description box below. You need to go check her out because she is the one that has inspired me and has taught me so much about faux food. Well, I've been wanting to make ice cream cones, and I tried to make my own mold last year, and it's been such a hassle, and I couldn't find a mold to buy. So in the mail a couple days ago, look what came. It is a mold for 6 ice cream cones. You guys, I can make 6 ice cream cones at a time, and this is from Dawn at the Pink Tree. I love you, sweetie. She is such a sweetheart. Absolutely love her. So I wanted to share that, what came in the mail. Bless her heart. So I am excited to make some ice cream cones with this. Guys, remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. There's only one you, and you bring something to this world nobody else can. Talk to you soon. Bye.